how I glow up mentally, physically, and emotionally. Mentally, syempre dapat know how your mind works. It should start within you, not with the things that other people tells you to do. Huwag kayong papaniwala sa mga sinasabi ng ibang tao. Physically, I don't really think na my goal, specific goal. Oo, may mga pinahangaan tayo sa social media or personally ng mga tao na magaganda yung body type, body shape, ganyan. You shouldn't really think about na dapat ganun yung mukha ko, ganun yung itsura ng katawan ko. You should really be confident on who you are. Doon talaga mag-start lahat. And sa emotional health, you should really be kind lang to yourself. Don't forget na you should communicate with people you care about, people you love. Ganun. Kasi they might help you and you might help them out. So, give and take ba?